Hi, welcome to Training Tip Tuesday. My name is Linda Kwan, and I am the trainer and owner of Wow Bow Wow. Today's topic is, what's that noise? I'm here today to talk about how to help your pup cope with loud noises. Sudden loud noises are kind of scary for your pups. Your pup's acute hearing makes him more sensitive than you are to those loud sounds. And during those loud noises like fireworks, your dog experiences the same kind of startled response you do, which means you have an increased heart rate, a rush of adrenaline, and a surge in stress hormones circulating through your body. Same for your pup. It is natural for your pup to be afraid of loud noises, and they can become anxious. Running away from the noise is a survival instinct. So today I would like to share with you one game you can play with your pup to help them get desensitized to the loud noises and recover more quickly. The game is called What Was That? To begin, bring out your pup's favorite high-value treats. Bring out the good stuff. Start by playing using something very soft, like a pillow or blanket. And when your pup is not looking, drop it onto the floor. When your pup looks over at you, say the words, "What was that?" and offer a reward for checking in with you. Monitor your pup's body language for any signs of stress, like lip licking, yawning, not taking food, looking away from the object. Maybe the ears go back, whale eyes. Go at your pup's pace. If you start seeing these things, stop and try again later with the soft pillow or blanket. Gradually change the object to an item that makes a little bit louder noise, whether it could be like a piece of paper next, and then maybe a pen, and maybe a magazine after that, and so on. And keep repeating the game. Always offer a high-value treat. Play this game randomly throughout the day. Thank you for joining me for Training Tip Tuesday. I hope this was helpful. Please share what works for you and your dog to cope with these loud noises. Show us a video practicing with your dog and hashtag it Training Tip Tuesday. Until next Tuesday, happy training.